can do it the old-fashioned way.
What's that?
No.
How should I intro this? Can we put this as a tutorial? I need everybody to back up.
Resi.
That includes Resi.
So
my initial goal was to put the heat on and try to pry it away from the wall.
I'm so scared.
But it's adhered pretty tight. I know there's really thick 3M tape that's holding it. The other thing is, you got a wire behind the wall and just scratch it off. You can do it the old-fashioned way.
What's that?
No way!
And just shatter that bad boy.
I'm scared.
You ready for it?
I don't have goggles on.
Well, I have glasses and I'm not gonna look at it.
Okay.
Is it bad luck?
I think so, but dude. Oh! But dude. Oh! Oh, it did. Wow.
I'm not weak, y'all. I guess that they designed these things to not shatter. That I hit it
Is that
pretty
not a
hard
mirror?
too. Huh?
Is it not a mirror? Is it a portal to another world?
Narnia. Narnia through our RV.
Anthony, that's insane.
I hit it really hard too, like a good flick of the wrist. Should I chip away at it? Cause hold on, let's do it this way. Wow. I don't know. Ready?
No.
Yeah. Wow, it's like deafening.
Yeah, that hurts.
Wow. I don't know if this is designed to break.
Maybe keep doing it the way you were doing it.
Trying to pry it out? That's insane. Slightly used mirror on Facebook Marketplace if you're interested.
Indestructible.
Indestructible. And this like doing a prying up action is what scares me the most. I might have to do the wire trick. You run wire around it and you just saw
Oh yeah.
until you clean it, but I don't have wire. Like fishing line, stuff like that.
Something we could do tomorrow.
It's possible. Yeah, we can wait till then, but I'm impatient. Throw it over your shoulder. Alright, I'll show you. Turn to the side.
Yeah.
I want to put on my tool belt.
What you got there?
My tools,
For what? What were we doing today?
the camper.
Oh, for the camper?
Yeah, we're gonna work on the camper again today.
Yeah?
Day number what?
Oh, I don't even know. It's been a long time.
Yeah, day number 7.
All right. What is happening here? What are
Ripping down the luan that's connected to the foam against this side of the camper.
Yeah.
All right. My idea, which once it's all clean, is that we'll put up another protective coating. We're gonna fill in these gaps where bugs had ate away some of the styrofoam, and then we're gonna shiplap it. There's so much heat you can feel the sun on the other side of the camper.
Wow.
Yeah, so this foam is not the best insulation, but that's what's going to stay. But we're gonna put home insulation as soon as we can get it pressed up in there. Yeah, but this is just a big old mess. It doesn't come off clean. It comes out in pieces. So,
All right,
let's do it.
here we go.
Gotta get back to work.
All right, so Rosie's at school, Anthony's at work, and I had some time to get some work done on the camper today. So let me show you what I did. Took out the kitchen sink. I don't even know if I did it the right way, but I did it. It's gone now. I think we're gonna replace it with definitely a way nicer faucet and like a stainless steel sink. That's a little deeper than the one that we had. The other thing that I did, reorganized all the junk. And I took out the bottom bunk in Rosie's room. And just cleared out all the space so we can have a blank canvas. I'm gonna put the bed down for you guys. Okay. So then Rosie's gonna have her own little space up there, decorate it and everything. And then down here, I think we might install some like little shelves that fold down with the bed on each hinge. So then when it's folded down, Rosie said that she wants some type of desk and play area down here. And so we're gonna make it a lot brighter and obviously prettier. She's gonna pick out her own wallpaper, but really excited to decorate this space. Still have a lot more work to do. It is mid-April now. We have until July 1st to have this camper finished and ready to move in. So no pressure. Oops.